In a dramatic turn inside a Limpopo courtroom, explosive testimony has placed musician Shebeshet at the center of a new and serious allegation: forgery. According to Warrant Officer Paladi Makola of the Limpopo Provincial Investigating Unit, it is alleged Shebeshet forged a victim's signature on an official case withdrawal statement. This revelation didn't just raise eyebrows. It triggered investigators to reopen other previously withdrawn cases to check if similar tampering had occurred. And the timing couldn't be more critical. Already facing 9 charges, including 3 counts of attempted murder, assault, negligent firearm discharge, and robbery, the court was asked to consider one crucial question: can Shebeshet be trusted on bail? The answer was a firm no. The court ruled he be remanded in custody until the 19th of January 2026. A major factor in this decision was the October 2025 incident where he allegedly shot and injured 2 men who had simply approached to greet him. The incident forms the basis of his newest charges, and it doesn't end there. Shebeshet was already out on bail for 2 other attempted murders scheduled for trial in February 2026. One of his bail conditions was clear: do not commit another serious offense. His arrest while on bail, combined with new forgery allegation, created what the court described as a pattern of interference and significantly deepened the legal hole he now finds himself in. His own lawyer admitted that defense is at a clear disadvantage. Looking ahead, the court has taken the unusual step of centralizing all 9 new charges to be heard together. His next appearance is set for the 19th of January 2026, a critical date that could shape the rest of his legal journey. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one, and good night.